I'm here on a no heat for this unit. It's for the lobby area. It's not cold, not hot, but it's not cold. It's like somewhat warm. So let's see why. It's not hot coming out, and it's not cold. It's like in the middle. Or I prefer hot air to come out of that. Not in the middle, but let's see what's happening here. It's all water under me. The way it seems like is it's probably firing up and then going out. That's why you got that little bit of heat in the air. Into the abyss. Let's see what we got going on here. I don't see anything happening on here. Nothing on the burn. So turn it off. I don't think that ignition module has any light fault or anything, so got a crack. It looks like it might have a crack on it. So let's see. Into the water. I keep dropping them in there. When I stand up, I use a magnetic bit to get them out. Okay, everything's out. Boom. Let's see. Had to go somewhere under me. You guys see it. I don't. There it is. One of them I found. And now I'm just going to take my coat off. Put it right on top. Let's see what happens. Now my pressure switch comes across, up. My spark wire comes here, comes over, and is going. That's an ignition module. That's the orange wire. Okay. Okay, here's my orange igniter wire. Here's the boot. Okay. So we're not sparking. We're not doing anything. Our inducer's running. That's about it. And we don't have a restriction. I can feel the air pushing out, so I'm not going to blame that. We could have a bad switch over here. No, 0 volts. And look at that, now we're sparking. I tapped the switch, then all of a sudden it went to come on. I mean, this thing's got a hairline crack on it. Wonder if that has anything to do with it. This switch up top, I had to tap it. Let's let it run for a minute and see. I do have another, like my own, I believe this has its own flame sensor in this thing. But it just was taking way too long for it to be a flame sensor problem. It just wasn't even trying to spark, which is putting me up on this switch here. I mean, now I got some good heat coming out. I wonder if the switch is even opening up. It's out. So it dropped out. Let's see my switch. What's going on there? Since the burner dropped, let's see. Yup, 0. Yeah. So it's not the switch. Alright, I wonder if I got a limit opening up because it was hot, warm air coming out of the top. So I'm wondering if there's an open limit inside the system. So I got my fan cycle control up here. Oh, it is. Now it's installed upside down, I was gonna say. Like it's upside down, but we're off on limit. We're overheating. We're about 2 something. So let's see what's going on inside this unit. Let's open the blower compartment. Oh, loose wire. Look at that. Ugh. And it's glowing. I don't know if you can see that. It's cooking on that. It was actually glowing right there on the housing. At least it looked like it was at first. So that fell off. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta replace that. Look at how wide it is. Seems tight. Nah, tight there. I'm not taking a chance. Let's give that a brand new end. Fix that up. I don't want a chance. Push that back on and it just slides off. Not happening. Not on my watch. The next guy could deal with that. Me, I'm just gonna do it so I don't have to come back here. I should make sure the cap is good though while I'm here. I'm sure it is. Just as a precaution. What's the cap rated for? Dun, dun, dun. It's a monster. Probably 10. 9.2. I'm gonna say 10. We can know for sure. Is it rated? 10. Very hot. So this cap is very, very warm. But then again, there's a lot of warm air coming out of here. That's why I was feeling the warm air. It's going off on limit. Nothing to do with the ignition. Okay, and you could see it was arcing away here. So, okay, here we go. Let's turn it back on and see. That fan should kick right on. Blower's on, right? No, it's not. I would have thought this would have kicked right over. So is my high limit bad? That thing is like all the way up. And that's still going up in temp, but yet the blower didn't kick. Blower's probably hot. I'm gonna give it a few minutes to cool off. I gave it about 15 minutes. The temperature has dropped all the way on the heat exchanger, so hopefully the blower motor dropped also. Blower motor shouldn't start until it gets hot, so gotta wait for everything to warm up. Now we should be sparking soon. Do a little countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give us some ignition, please. There we go. We're lit. We've got ignition. We took off. Hard to see in there, but it's a going. So that's a burning. Now we need this to heat up over here. The temperature of our heat exchanger, that little dial is going to start rolling. It's going to start getting warmer, and at about 130 right there, it's going to kick the fan on. It's going to kill the burner at the like 175 range. That knob over there, the metal over that way. So here we go. We're starting to roll. The very top by this wire here is where that little mark is. It's hard to see in this light, but we're rolling closer to it now. Almost there. So I should get up and move my ass closer, so my laziness is already in position for when it's going to start. So here, let's take you over there, because my lazy ass is going to miss it and it's not going to do anything. So see, oh, I feel that heat coming out. Maybe it's going to do nothing. I don't know. It's getting warmer. Nope, there we go. We've taken off. Alright, so the motor just overheated because the capacitor wasn't doing its job. It was leaving a phase out of the rotation. And we're up and rolling. Till next time, I'm out.